Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 4.1 of Unit 4, Forex Basics. In this lesson, we're going to cover going long and short in Forex trading. By the end of this video, you will understand how to profit from both rising and falling markets. Let's get into it. Going long in Forex means buying a currency pair, hoping the price will rise. Think of it like buying a product, expecting its price to increase. You buy the product, and if the price goes up, you can sell it for a profit. Going short in Forex means selling a currency pair, expecting the price to fall. Imagine selling a product you don't own, hoping to buy it back later at a lower price. If the price drops, you can buy it back and keep the difference as profit. This is the unique power of Forex. You can profit in both directions. Unlike stock investors, who can only make money when prices go up, Forex traders can make money whether the market is rising or falling. For example, let's say you buy euro to US dollar at 1.2000 and the price rises to 1.2100. You can sell it at the higher price, making a profit of 100 pips. On the other hand, if you sell pound sterling to US dollar at 1.3000 and the price falls to 1.2900, you can buy it back at the lower price, making a profit of 100 pips. As you can see, Forex trading offers more flexibility than stock trading. While stock investors can only profit from rising prices, Forex traders can profit from both rising and falling prices. Now, it's time to practice what you've learned. Open your MT4 demo platform and try making both a long and short trade on euro to US dollar. To make a trade, simply click on the buy or sell button, depending on whether you want to go long or short. Then, set your trade size and click OK to execute the trade. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice trading, the more comfortable you'll become with going long and short. In summary, going long means buying a currency pair, hoping the price will rise, while going short means selling a currency pair, expecting the price to fall. Forex trading allows you to profit in both directions, making it a unique and powerful market to trade in. That is everything for lesson 4.1, going long and short. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.